Raden was a man living in the hustle and bustle of city life, well-versed in modern conveniences. But his passion for the outdoors had made him a master of survival and mountaineering. One day, he decided to leave all the technology behind and spend some time alone in nature. He planned a short-term forest camping trip. While exploring the island, he stumbled upon a massive rock. His eyes lit up. This boulder could be the perfect foundation for a shelter. Using only his hands and what nature provided, Raden began digging into the earth. For days, he patiently carved out an incredible shelter beneath the rock. He made the interior waterproof, insulated it with natural materials, and turned it into something more than just a campsite. It became a sanctuary deeply connected to the earth. Raden's shelter wasn't just a place to camp. It was a symbol of escape from the stresses and noise of city life, a rebirth cradled in nature's embrace. In that moment, Raden left the chaos of city life behind and discovered true freedom.